Today I am with a new video. Today I will show you how you use the YouTube Studio.
If you are new to the channel, then press the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Press all to get new notification.
There is an app called YouTube Studio which will show all the information about your YouTube analysis, your YouTube views, videos, ranking and many other things. To understand more about YouTube Studio, let us first go to Google Play Store and download YT Studio app, YouTube Studio, and then you have to install the application and open. As you open the app, first you have to log in. See, I have gained 737 subscribers in a while, and you can also see other application. First, let us see the overview. Here is a dashboard. It shows the analytics, the latest perform videos, as well as the comments. As you go to videos, you will see that which of your videos are viral or how many views, likes and comments the video has got. As I have a video which is viral, you can see 93,000 views in the video. I am growing. And beside this, go to analytics. In analytics you can see real-time views. Also you can see the videos which get views in the last 60 minutes. Here you can see this and this videos had got the views in the last 60 minutes. Beside this, watch time. Here you can see the watch time of lifetime, 90 days, 30 days and 60 days, and real time 48 hours also. After that, here you can see average view duration of last 28 days. You can see estimated revenue, but my channel is not monetized yet, so the revenue section is just blank. And subscriber, I am gaining 64 subscriber in the last 28 days. And beside this, like top videos, ranking also, and revenue. There is a revenue discovery, impression. I have 37k in impression in this month, and here you can see impression click-through rate is 8.4%. 2 to 10% of click-through rate is normal. And audience, you can see mostly the audience of my videos are 18 to 24 because I make videos related to tech and YouTube tricks, so that this appear, and mainly male are more visiting my videos. And beside this, you can see in your own one specific video also. Let us go and see my most viewed video, which is here, how to root Samsung Galaxy J2 200 ads without PC. And to see, go to analytics. Here you can see real-time views 140 in last 48 hours, and watch time 4048 in last 28 days, and views 2567, and estimated revenue 00 because the channel is not monetized. Traffic source, you can see mostly the videos is viewed through YouTube Shorts and then suggested videos, and then other YouTube features, and director unknown and other. As you go revenue, there is nothing. And discovery impression, I have 18,000 impression and 11.3% of views from the impression. Traffic source, YouTube channel, estimated source is a Google source, from Google source 38%, WhatsApp 9.4%, .com, this is a website, I don't know mostly about it, from 0.3%, and YouTube source. Top YouTube search terms. Here how to rotate to it is a tag which are at high level, and top video suggestion, root to and more other things. Beside this, gender you can see mostly male and 18 to 24 of age, and interactive content and many other things are shown here. You can know what your video, how your video is doing or how your channel is doing using this application. This application really helps everyone to grow in the YouTube community, because you have to always watch your analytics to understand how you are going and what are the things that you have done wrong. For this I will make a separate video for this video, only this